Doing the laundry can be one of the most boring housework tasks, but it cannot be ignored and it must be done. Even nowadays, with the help of washing machines, we spend time and effort washing clothes, shoes, and other things. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, it is estimated that, on average, a person spends 17 minutes per day doing the laundry. In today's video, we will see useful tricks for doing your laundry. Coins and papers in pockets. It is a fact that occasionally we put coins and papers in our pockets and end up completely forgetting about them. Often we forget to check the pockets and to take these items out of them. To prevent paper from soiling our clothes and coins from ruining our washing machines, place a transparent glass pot next to the washing machine to remind you to check the pockets before putting the clothes in for washing. Turn inside out for washing. It is likely that many people, before putting clothes into the basket or into the washing machine, turn them to the right side. However, laundry specialists do not recommend washing them like that. To maintain the clothes color, it is better to turn them inside out. Soft towels again. To have soft and absorbent towels, follow the typical granny's tip. Wait for the first wash, and at the end of the rinse, add alcohol vinegar. The smell will evaporate and your towels will be soft. Eliminate stain remover. Use detergent. Stains from food or a ballpoint pen? At the time of the accident, you can remove the stain using a bit of detergent. Just drop a bit of the product on the stain. Wait a few seconds and then wash the clothes as you normally do. Washing bags for small garments. Nowadays, it is normal to see washing bags for small garments like socks, underwear, and lingerie. However, these bags also deteriorate. Instead, use pillowcases with a fastener or just tie them. This will avoid the mysterious disappearance of socks that happens in almost every home. Do not overdry the clothes. Do you know that feeling of rough fabric? This can happen if you forget your clothes for too long on the clothesline. In some cases, even a steam iron won't be able to solve the problem. It is better to iron your clothes a bit wet, and if the problem persists and your clothes seem difficult to iron, just moisten them with water. Recover shrunken clothes. Have you accidentally washed your clothes with water that was just too hot and they shrunk? Just dip them in warm water with a conditioner in order to loosen the fibers and delicately stretch the garment. Then let it dry on a hanger. Your clothing will recover almost 100% of its original size. Amazing, isn't it? What tricks do you have for laundry? Share your experiences in the video comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.